I'll guide you through sending a SpotMe Boost in the Chime app to help a friend increase their overdraft limit instantly, all without costing you a cent. If you're ready, click the subscribe button. Let's get started. Sending a Boost is a peer-to-peer feature that allows you to give a friend an extra $5 of fee-free overdraft coverage. It's important to know that sending a Boost is 100% free. It doesn't come out of your account balance or lower your own SpotMe limit. The fastest way to send one is directly from your home screen on the Chime mobile app. Scroll down to the Financial Tools section and look for the SpotMe Boost widget. This area displays exactly how many boosts you have remaining for the current month. Tap on the widget, search for your friend's name or phone number in your contacts, and tap Send $5 Boost next to their name. Alternatively, you can use the Pay tab at the bottom of the screen within the mobile app. This is perfect if you recently sent money to someone and want to find them quickly. Simply tap their profile from your past activity. Once you're on their profile, you'll see the Boost button located right next to the Pay and Request options. Remember that boosts reset on the first day of every month, so be sure to send yours before they expire at 11:59 p.m. on the last day of the month. Engaging in the Boost for Boost community on Reddit or Facebook is a great way to ensure you always have friends ready to return the favor and keep your own limit at its maximum. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.